Hi, good day. This is Stanley West, a member of the 2022 cohort of MIT's App Inventor Master Trainer course for block-based programming of mobile apps. My mobile app is a dynamic form of the music theory diagram, the circular fifths, arranged to suit the note configuration of the fourths and fifths tenor steel pan. The steel pan has evolved as a family of acoustic, percussive, and melodic instruments that cover the tonal range of a conventional orchestra. They consist of individual and groups of instruments covering different tonal ranges: tenor, double seconds, cello, guitar, quadraphonic, and bass. All the instruments can be made from the 55-gallon steel drum. Steel pan is a national instrument of Trinidad and Tobago. See the assembly of the different instrument voices as the Skiffle Steel Orchestra plays an excerpt of a steel pan composition. The dominant pattern of the tenor is the fourths and fifths. The circular fifth takes the 12 notes of the chromatic scale of Western music and arranges it in a circular pattern. The tenor note pattern is an upside-down mirror image of the circular fifths rotated along the horizontal center line. The 12 adjacent keys of the chromatic scale on a keyboard, including black keys, are each a semitone apart, including white keys EF and BC. The circular fifths adjacent notes clockwise are 7 semitones apart, spanning 5 adjacent white keyboard notes, and called a perfect fifth. Anti-clockwise, the adjacent notes on the circular fifths are 5 semitones apart, spanning 4 adjacent white keys, called a perfect fourth. Hence the name fourths and fifths of the tenor pan pattern. On the opening screen of the app, each button, when clicked, accesses its own screen, where there are 12 buttons which can load the 12 keys of that mode with one click. A long press then plays the note sequence as the button color changes. Here is a list of some of the uses of the circular fifths. Apart from highlighting several aspects of music theory, like modes, scales, number of sharps and flats in key signatures, major and minor chords in a scale, it can be of assistance when learning to play a melodic instrument by ear. The coding was not very intricate. More work went into assembling the graphics and song samples. I had challenges with converting repetitive code using the Any Component option. This is what the loading of the circular scale graphic looked like for each of 7 screens. To pursue on the Discord channel helped me with this any component code. The code for playing the scale notes is more of a challenge. It worked with the use of 7 audio players. These are the typical blocks for the 12 buttons on the 7 screens. This is typical for each button with the 7 players. In the community forum, power user Metricat sent me a sample of how it can be done using one player, but time ran out on my submission deadline. I have to go back and look at it.